New day, new project. Here we go. You're going to have to ignore the boat. The boat is another project. I made that for somebody else. I rigged up that whole boat for somebody else. And he backed out on me at the last minute. And I actually bought the boat for him. But this project is right here. Hobie Kona. I bought this yesterday, and I got a good deal on it because he said it had a crack in it. So I started looking along the seam and along the front. I didn't see no crack. Two little tiny scupper hole cracks. So that's where I'm at with that one. So let me untie this. Where did I tie? It had one repair right here before. Looks like they did okay. So I don't know. This was going to be a really quick fix. So I don't know if I want to do anything with this. It's a Hobie Kona, it's a tandem kayak. More for, oh look, I just discovered there is another crack right here. Nothing I can't fix. But it's cold out here. Man, I got bad allergies. I'm gonna sound like I'm sick. Oh, that's the right one. Guy gave me a paddle and a seat with it. It's one of those tandems that you can sit in the middle and use it as a single. That's about it. There we go. Yeah. And it is a Hobie, so that might bring a little value to it. But I think I'm going to just do this one as one of those quick flips. And I really got this thing tied down. The kayak is free. No, it wasn't free. It's free from the truck. What I paid, it's in pretty good condition. Yeah, You can see where somebody tried to... Oh, look at this. Man. You go patch plastic with putty. You patch plastic with plastic. That'd be an easy fix. Really, it doesn't have the back hatch. It does have these things, but I don't know how good they are. Okay, it's got a ruler on it. Got these little plugs in here. I kept reaching on those on the bottom. This is what the inside looks like. Yeah, the two little cracks that I was talking about are right here. There's one here, one here. I like this hatchet. Alright, this. Oh my god, you hear that? I dragged it on the concrete. Where are you going? I think I need something to scrub it with. I have a piece of this carpet here. Yeah, that's kind of taking it off. Actually, I probably need some kind of cleaner on it or something. Take this stupid rope off there. Yeah, the carpet's kind of taking it out. Yeah, this guy just had this thing sitting in his backyard. Way back in his backyard. Just sitting on the ground. Maybe I'll spray it with some kind of cleaner or something, let it soak. But it is cleaning. Maybe grab a, I don't know, some kind of little scrub brush or something. I mean, it's a pretty good looking kayak. It's actually a drain plug. Weird. Yeah, I don't think he knew these were drain plugs. Alright, where were the other ones go? Over here. Hobie Kona, baby. Alright, this one doesn't look like much. That other piece. I think that other piece comes out too. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Oh, look. The handles are cracked. There's another stupid rope. Pliers right here. Shut up. Yeah, these are all easy fixes for me. I'm not even sure what that is. I don't think it's Bondo. Maybe it is, I don't know. Either way, I can fix it. It's got a butt crack. Alright. Well, that's the difference from a little cleaning to just spraying it down. You know what I just thought of? Let me go see if Oh. I've got some off-white plastic. It's a little lighter than the. It's a little lighter, but it'll work. Yeah. I'll have to look from the inside here. Actually, I'll use the camera. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So here's the crack right here. I don't know if you can see my finger. Here's the crack right here. And this back one will have to be a completely outside repair patch. Yeah. That looks like it got dropped on the back corner. Or stood on the corner. And like when you go to the store, they have them displayed standing up. That's not good for plastic. But, yeah. Actually, usually these are not tied to that, they're tied to this. So when you pull them, it pulls them back. Alright, here we are.